Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Arya and I'll bring every news for all of you. As of yesterday, 15,834 new corona cases reported all over India. Total number of active cases was 1.74 lakhs. As of yesterday, 100.59 crore Indians got vaccinated. Five states which account for almost 50 cases are Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Mizoram. Yesterday in Kerala, 9,361 new corona cases reported. In Mumbai, yesterday 421 new corona cases reported. In the backdrop of series of civilian killing in the valley, Home Minister Amit Shah will be in Jammu and Kashmir on a 3-day visit starting from Saturday to hold a security review meeting in Srinagar and visit some of the trouble-torn districts in the valley. A security guard falls to death from 19th floor as fire break out in a residential building in Mumbai. The real estate sector, which was adversely affected during COVID-19 pandemic, will contribute 18 to 20% of the domestic gross product, that is GDP, by 2030 as per Niti Aayog Chief Executive Officer Amitabh Kant. Several theatres in the Mumbai received a decent response from the moviegoers on Friday, the first day of reopening of the theatres, and are hopeful that the larger crowd will turn up on weekend and during Diwali. 197 Communication, the parent company of Paytm, has received approval from the Security and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, for initial public offer of 16,600 crores, which is the largest in the corporate history so far. The last largest IPO was by Coal India Limited for 15,000 crore about a decade ago. With all its business coming back to the growth on the pre-pandemic level, Reliance Industry Limited has reported net consolidated profit increase of 46% to 15,479 crore for the September 21 quarter compared to rupees 10,602 crore for the September 20 quarter. $1 was equal to 74.90 rupees. Indian stock market continued decline on Friday also, and BSE Sensex closed 102 points below the previous day closed and closed at 60,822 points. This was in view of the profit booking by the investors. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.